Hey guys, welcome back to another Shop Don't Stop video. Today we're going to be replacing the old halogen lights on this BMW M3 with these LED ones. There shouldn't be any codes or anything, and they look a lot better with these newer LEDs in there. So it's a pretty quick and easy process. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to head to the back of the trunk here. So as you can see, I turned my lights on so you guys had an idea of what it looked like before. So that's kind of how it reflects on that license plate. So once you get here to this point, you're gonna try to take a knife or a screwdriver and just gently pry on the edge here, and it'll pop out. So as you see, this is what was holding it in. So there's this metal clip and then this little tab, and that's what we pulled out. Nothing broke, that's just how it is. I'm gonna turn these lights off and go ahead and pull one of them out and swap it out for the LED that we got and see what it looks like. Guys, so as you can see, this is a side-by-side comparison. The new one is the LED on the bottom, and then the old one is the halogen up top. So this is what they look like. They look similar and the size is the same. So we're gonna pop in the LED and see what it looks like. All right guys, popped in the LED, it's working great. Pretty quick and easy to pop the old one out and put this one in. And as you can see, that is the difference there. I'm gonna, of course, put the other one in, put the lens back on, and then show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, as you can see, we got the LED license plate lights in there now. Looks pretty good. It's lighting up the area pretty good. One thing I did notice is when you turn the car off, these do stay on for about 1 minute. They're like barely lit, but there is still current running through there. And with the OEM ones, those would turn off because they drew more current. But these ones will stay on. That's completely normal, so don't worry about that. But if there's any errors or anything that come up in the next few days, I'll let you know. But currently the car recognizes them and doesn't think that they're out. So we're good to go there. Just a quick little upgrade here. I'll put the link to the products down below, and then any questions or comments you guys have, just leave them there. Make sure you subscribe and like, and remember, shop don't stop.